Did your vehicle suffer hail damage? Here's what you need to know about insurance claims. When filing a claim for hail damage, your insurance company may recommend a preferred repair shop, but remember, you have the right to choose where your vehicle is repaired. At Angelo Dent Removal Inc., we've been proudly serving the San Angelo community for over 30 years. We are approved by all major insurance companies and specialize in paintless dent repair, or PDR, a method that repairs hail damage, door dings, and minor dents without the need for painting. Our facility at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas, features a state-of-the-art estimating bay. This advanced setup allows us to carefully inspect your vehicle under specialized lighting, ensuring that every dent and ding is properly identified so your estimate is accurate and complete. Call us today at 325-703-6149 to schedule your free inspection and see if your vehicle is a candidate for PDR. Trust the experts with 3 decades of experience. Angelo Dent Removal Inc. is here to restore your vehicle to pre-storm condition.